everybody. Today I am going to talk about inheritance, our last lesson. First of all, we will discuss about heredity. What is called heredity? Heredity is the passing down of genetic information from generation to generation. What are those genetic characters which are genetic characters among humans? There are main genetic characters like shape of the nose, shape of face, color of face, straight or curly hair, like that. But all the characters are not like some of those characters are rarely inherited. Those characters are albinism, abnormal white color of the skin, eye lashes, and polydactyly, having 6 fingers in hands and legs, black, brown or blue eyes, and syndactyly. Syndactyly is not having 5 fingers perfectly. There are non-inherited characters like development of muscles due to exercises, ability to play musical instruments due to practicing them, and obesity due to lack of exercises and lack of nutrition. The first person to study about those inherited characters is scientist Gregor Mendel, who is an Austrian priest and a science graduate. He is honored as the father of genetics. Reasons he selected green pea plant for his studies. Reasons for selecting garden pea plant for his studies, like has a short life cycle, seeds are easy to cultivate, naturally self-pollinated but could not be cross-pollinated are the main reasons. This is the Mendel's law of dominance, and Punnett square can be seen. Here he said when passing down the genetic information, there are characteristics classified into 2 categories as dominant and recessive. Dominant is the character that is visible and that is externally visible, and recessive character is the character which is not visible or the hidden feature. Gene concept about inheritance. In gene concept, as a standard dominant feature denoted by dominant character is denoted by the capital letter, and the recessive character is denoted by the simple letter. If 2 genes are similar, they are known as homozygous, and different genes are known as heterozygous. Phenotype and genotype. The feature externally appear or observable is phenotype, and the gene composition or genetic makeup is known as the genotype. Genetic material and genes. Scientists discover that the DNA transmit features of organisms from generation to generation. The first scientist to discover the double helix structure of the DNA is Watson and Crick in 1953. They wrote a book about their study as the double helix. It was written by John W. Watson. Here you can see the Watson and Crick. Sex determination. There are 23 pairs of chromosomes in a human. Mainly 43, then 23 pairs, 123 pair from mother and other from father. Among them, the last pair of chromosomes is called sex chromosomes, and 22 are somatic autosomal chromosomes. Here you can see the sex determination in humans. Genetic disorders due to sex-linked inheritance. Mainly they can talk about two diseases. Color blindness. They are unable to distinguish red color from green color. This condition is mostly seen among male population of the world. Rarely can be seen in the female population, but this disease can be seen in female population if they are married to same bloodline relatives, blood relatives. Next, we have hemophilia. Blood will not clot, delay in clotting when a person suffers from hemophilia. This condition is due to recessive gene found in X chromosomes. This disease is also known as the royal disease, as it is present in European royal families, including the famous Windsor family, which rules Britain. Gene mutation related diseases. Thalassemia. The mutation that occur in a single gene due to change in DNA of a chromosome is called gene mutation. Due to this, thalassemia occurs. When a person having thalassemia, the hemoglobin, which transport oxygen, became unable to transport oxygen. Albinism. Albinism also a disease related to gene mutation. When albinism, it occurs due to the mutation of gene which produce melanin, which considered as the color of our skin. When someone having albinism, his or her skin get abnormal white color, and hairs, eyelashes also become white color. Animals, not only humans, animals also become albino. Like you can see, squirrel, deer, cobra, lions also get those gene mutations.